everyone, it's Sterling here of Cactus Lady Creation, and welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I share crochet inspiration, tutorials, studio vlogs, and thrift flips. And in this video, I'm going to share 10 crochet fashion trends to explore for fall and winter. For these ideas, I scoured social media as well as looked at the fashion industry and put in some ideas that I'm inspired to make this fall and winter. And if you want to see any of these ideas more in detail and check out more of the photos, you can head to my blog post, which is linked in the description box below. First up, we have oversized crochet wear. Oversized crochet and knitwear have definitely been taking over in the fall and winter in the past few years, and this year is not going to be any different. These are not your typical cozy sweaters, but more exaggerated and oversized, which are perfect for those chillier days when you want to wrap yourself in something warm and stylish. Think big, chunky sweaters and cardigans that you can just layer over any outfit. The oversized trend is not only comfortable, but also effortlessly chic, so we love it, and I don't think it's going to go anywhere. To create your own, use a bulkier yarn and a larger hook to achieve that cozy and oversized look. Another trend I think would be fun to explore are subversive sweaters. Subversive fashion is all about bringing intentionality towards drawing positive attention to the body. Instead of using clothing to simply style the body is styling the clothing. Intentional and tasteful cutouts give new meaning to the body's silhouette here. You can experiment with bold patterns and asymmetrical designs and unexpected color combinations. It's all about making a statement and showing off your creative side. And with these, you can try mixing different stitch patterns and colors to create a design that's truly unique. Another trend I think would be fun to experiment with are adding some feathers to your crochet designs. Adding feather-like details to your crochet projects can give them a touch of elegance and whimsical glamour, and this trend is perfect for creating accessories like shawls, scarves, or even glamorous dresses and skirts. And you could also use a combination of fringe techniques and feather yarns to achieve this look. Statement belts are also making a comeback, especially in the color gold, so why not crochet your very own unique statement belt? These belts can transform any outfit by adding a pop of texture and color. They're great for cinching in oversized sweaters or dresses, giving you a flattering silhouette while staying on trend. Use metallic yarns and simple stitches to create a striking belt that stands out. Statement hats are also, of course, a staple for fall and winter, so why not crochet your own? Whether you prefer beanies, berets, or wide-brimmed hats, as long as they're bold and eye-catching. Use vibrant colors or interesting stitches here to make your hat stand out, and choose a fun pattern or add embellishments like pom-poms or applique for extra flair. You could create your it girl hat for sure this season. Exaggerated turtlenecks would also be a cool one to explore. You can crochet a turtleneck and give it an oversized neckline to add both warmth and drama to your crochet pieces. Perfect for sweaters and dresses, and they also give you that cozy, snuggled up feeling while also looking incredibly stylish. And you can use a ribbing technique to make sure that it stays comfortable and stretchy. Leopard prints are also going to be dominating this season, so why not crochet a really cool leopard print? You could incorporate this classic pattern into a crochet design for a trendy, chic look. From scarves to sweaters to accessories, leopard prints can add a bit of wild flair to your wardrobe, and you can use the tapestry crochet technique to achieve that detailed leopard print design. Although I'm not a really big fan of the name of this aesthetic, I do like the look. You could also try crocheting the mob wife aesthetic. The mob wife aesthetic draws inspiration from the opulent and bold styles often depicted in movies and TV shows. Icons like Sharon Stone in Casino, Andrea De Matteo in The Sopranos, or Sofia Vergara in Griselda. Adding a touch of faux fur to your crochet projects can elevate them to a new level of glam. Think collars, cuffs, and trims that give your pieces a luxurious, cozy feel. And use faux fur yarn, or you can also attach faux fur trims to your finished pieces for that extra glamorous touch and to give it a bit of drama. Bright-colored socks inspired by the 80s are also going to be back in a big way this cold season. The 80s were all about self-expression and standing out, and these vibrant accessories capture that spirit perfectly. You can create neon and bold accessories to pair with your neutral outfits, and I love that this has been a thing lately personally and find it very eye-catching and soothing. So you can have fun with crocheting with neon colors and bolder patterns to create eye-catching socks. Also, leg warmers are still going to be in, but they are more in muted tones and neutral sort of aesthetics inspired by that ballet core or gorp core sort of color pattern. I personally love playing around with socks, tights, and leg wear. They're a great way to add a pop of color or interest to any outfit and also have a practical use because they keep your feet and legs warm as well. You can also use lightweight and stretchy yarn and simple stitches here for added durability and comfort. It would also be fun to crochet a metallic piece. Metallic pieces are definitely going to be in this cold season, and they're really easy to incorporate into your crochet projects. You can just use metallic yarn for a bit of sparkle and shine. From tops to accessories, metallic elements just add a touch of glamour, and they're perfect for the holiday season. Use metallic yarn in combination with regular yarn as well if you want to create a more balanced and subtle yet eye-catching piece. Whether it's a shimmering scarf or a glitzy top, metallic crochet adds a festive flair to your wardrobe. And there you have it. There's 10 crochet fashion trends to explore for fall and winter. I hope you found some inspiration for your next crochet project. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to join me each week for more crochet inspiration. If you want to see another video on more fall and winter crochet fashion trends, let me know as well, as I always really love researching these videos. They're really fun to come up with different ideas. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll join me in the next one.